Deep inside a metal storage garage hidden behind a wind tunnel building in Allen Park, Michigan, a handful of team members gathered in 2021 for a new, after-hours mission that on paper felt like an impossible dream. Design a Mustang to take on the best of European sports cars. The result is a limited edition, ultra-high-performance street-legal performance car with the soul of a Mustang. Debuting today is the all-new 2025 Ford Mustang GTD, a technological tour de force inspired by the Mustang GT3 slated to race in Le Mans next year. Unapologetic in its heritage, unbelievable in its performance, its sculpted, mostly carbon fiber wide body and looming rear wing says everything in just a glance. This is like no Mustang ever. Mustang GTD shatters every preconceived notion of a supercar. This is a new approach. The GTD was not engineered to be a road car for the track. It was created to be a race car for the road. Mustang GTD takes racing technology from our Mustang GT3 race car, wraps it in a carbon fiber Mustang body, and unleashes it for the street. Every precision part of Mustang GTD is purposefully designed. Every form is driven by function. It is designed to do one thing: go faster around a track with more technology than the race cars it's based on. Mustang GTD was developed by many of the same people behind Ford's Mustang race cars and the Le Mans winning GT. It's built to be the quickest road-going Mustang ever. Mustang GTD is planted to the tarmac by astounding downforce from available active aerodynamics and enormous grip from huge tires mounted to an advanced dual ride height, short long arm front, and multi-link rear suspension. It stops with authority thanks to carbon ceramic brakes, includes a rear-mounted 8-speed dual-clutch transaxle and lightweight carbon fiber drive shaft for near 50-50 weight distribution. And everything is driven with wicked speed by a symphonic supercharged 5.2-liter V8 targeting an estimated 800 horsepower.